The overall goal of these procedures is to investigate the long-term effects of low-dose BPA exposure in early embryogenesis. C. elegans embryos are exposed to BPA for a limited period and tested upon reaching adulthood for fecundity and learning behavior.
This method can help answer key questions regarding the long-term developmental effects of exposure to toxicants such as bisphenols and other endocrine disrupting compounds.
The main advantage of this technique is that it allows testing of long-term and subtle effects of toxicants on development through quantitative behavioral assays on an easy-to-use invertebrate lab model.
The implications of this technique extend towards understanding the developmental and neural basis of deleterious health effects of exposure to toxicants even at low doses.
We first had the idea for these experiments when we realized that a number of complex or multifactorial disorders seem to have some or the other developmental component, which may exert its influence in part through anomalous expression of critical genes.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical as the anterior touch habituation steps can be difficult to learn solely through text-based instructions.
The day before synchronization, transfer N2 worms onto 100 mm plates containing NGM media spread with E. coli OP50 by chunking slab of approximately 1 cm square. Allow the worms to grow for 3 days at 20 degrees Celsius. After 3 days, when the plates are